Sparkling clean windows, a guide to English vocabulary. Hello, learners. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that everyone encounters at home: cleaning windows. This seemingly simple task actually comes with a number of unique, important English words and phrases. So, let's wipe the smudges off our language learning and make it sparkle like a clean window. First, let's talk about essential vocabulary. Here are some common words you'll hear when talking about window cleaning. 1. Window, the glass surface that lets light into a room. 2. Squeegee, a tool with a rubber blade, used to remove water from windows. 3. Bucket, a container typically used to hold water or cleaning solution. 4. Soap, a substance used with water for washing and cleaning. 5. Spray bottle, a container with a nozzle that sprays liquids. 6. Rag or cloth, a piece of fabric used for cleaning or wiping. 7. Newspaper, sometimes used to polish windows after cleaning. Now, let's learn some phrases and verbs related to window cleaning. 1. To clean a window, the general action of making a window free from dirt. 2. To wash a window, similar to cleaning, usually involves soap and water. 3. To wipe a window, the action of moving a cloth across the window to clean it. 4. To spray the window, the action of applying liquid, usually a cleaning solution, from a spray bottle. 5. To scrub a window, the action of rubbing a window hard to remove dirt. 6. To dry a window, the action of removing all water or cleaning solution after washing. 7. To polish a window, the action of making a window shine after it's been cleaned and dried. Now that we've learned the vocabulary and the verbs, let's put it all together into some sentences. 1. I need to clean the windows. They're quite dirty. 2. Could you hand me the squeegee? I want to remove the excess water. 3. Let's fill the bucket with soap and water to wash the windows. 4. She sprayed the window with the cleaning solution. 5. He scrubbed the window until all the dirt was gone. 6. After washing the window, it's important to dry it to avoid streaks. 7. They polished the windows with newspaper for extra shine. And there you have it, a thorough guide to the vocabulary and phrases you'll need when it comes to cleaning windows in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these words and phrases in your everyday conversation and you'll soon be a pro. Happy learning, and I hope your journey into English is as clear and bright as a freshly cleaned window.